Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very exciting. We are finally in our new downtown Tampa apartment and I wanted to do an empty apartment tour. So excited to finally be doing this. We've been thinking of living downtown for a while and we went through touring a bunch of different complexes downtown and we finally picked one that I think is perfect for us and we are starting to move in. So I want to kind of document the space before we get everything inside and kind of just show the layout of our new apartment. We couldn't be happier. We're already obsessed with the layout and it's everything we were kind of looking for in an apartment, especially being downtown. It's a great amount of space and has a bunch of features that we really love, so I can't wait to show you. So here's the entry to the apartment. We really love it because you kind of get to enter into a longer hallway. It's not like you're just like walking into a box. So we really love that entryway and the kind of character that this hallway gives. So of course we have our front door and there's a little bit of space for like an entryway table that I think we're gonna do. And as you can see, that entry hallway leads all the way out into the kitchen, living room, our bedroom. We love this kind of like zigzagging format. I feel like it gives it a lot of character. And there's so many different kind of like pockets and areas we can either hang things or put console tables, and we're really excited about that. Then it leads into the den / second bedroom. This is the den space. It's great because our guest bed should fit in here to still have people over, as well as my husband's desk because he does work from home, so kind of an office setup is going to be able to be in here as well. So there isn't an actual door to make like a second bedroom, but having just this extra space is awesome. We do get a pretty good sized closet in here. None of these closets are walk-in, but they're all pretty. This is actually the smaller one, so it has like the adjustable shelves. I think it's still a great amount of space for the things we usually store in our office. So going through the hallway, we do have a coat closet here. This is like the most walk-in kind of closet that we have. That's one thing about this unit. It didn't have quite as great of closet space, but the whole layout is exactly what we wanted, and I think it's worth it. We also have our half and bath. So although we don't have a second full bath, we do have this kind of like powder room for guests, which is really nice right off the entryway. So we have a standing sink, separate mirror here, and just having this extra accessible bathroom is great. And this closet is just like water heater and AC. And we're gonna keep it building it towards the open area. Here's our bedroom, so it does have a separate door and even like a little hallway entry, which we love. Some of the other units, it's not even like a separate door to your bedroom. So this is unique in that way, and we love having just like another regular style bedroom. We do have an ensuite bathroom. This bathroom is a little bit smaller and there's no tub, so that's another thing we lost, but that's not really that important to us. Again, we just really love the layout and felt that was more worth it. So we do have one sink with granite countertops, a lot of great storage, big mirror. And then here's our stand-up shower, which is still a pretty good size. Nice tile everywhere. It's a little bit like older finishes throughout, but they're still really nice. And then our stacked washer and dryer is actually in the bathroom. So it's not, I'm not crazy about that, but I don't think it's gonna be a problem. It's actually kind of convenient, I feel like. So great to have that in here. And then back out into the bedroom. Again, we have this little hallway kind of space. I'm not sure what we can maybe fit in here, but it is a really great sized bedroom. We can't believe the views in here. When we first walked in, we were speechless. This is exactly what we were wanting. We couldn't be happier with this setup. I'm so excited for all of the natural light and having these windows. And of course, our bedroom furniture will fit right in here. And our closet is another kind of sliding closet, but it does have a really great storage. It's pretty tall and wide, so I think it's still a good amount of space. And I actually love having a mirrored look on the closet doors because of course that reflects the light, makes it even brighter, and just having extra mirrors is always a plus. So we're so excited about the bedroom. Coming out of the bedroom, we will lead into the kitchen and living space. We have such a great amount of space for this living room and kind of like joined dining kitchen. A very open concept. We're actually on a corner unit, so it's just a really great layout. We're so excited about it. First for the kitchen, we actually have this little desk kind of like in our area, which is going to be nice. I think we'll do like a coffee bar here or something. So again, extra storage. We have our fridge, and then the kitchen just leads in. So a lot of cabinet space. It's really still a good sized kitchen, granite countertops. The style and color of like the cabinets aren't our favorite, but they're still pretty sleek and nice. This is just a little bit of what we're building, so it's not quite as modern. But we're so happy to have all this space, and it looks out over the living room and again the floor to ceiling windows, so it's perfect. Over here is going to be our dining area, so we have a table that's going to fit really great right here. And again, it just kind of joins to the living room space. And then from there, we do have a big like concrete column in the living room, but it doesn't really bother me. I think it kind of adds a cool like industrial look. And I think our couch, we're actually going to be able to like put it right up against this and actually continue it that way. If we get like a modular couch, I think that's our plan. But we have this great wall space and a really big living room where we can still have our TV and a console. We're really excited to decorate the space and have all of our furniture in soon. From here, we still get a lot of open area here that I think we're going to put like some tall cabinets to have some just extra storage since there's no like actual pantry or anything. We're just going to have some extra like cabinetry, but it's great to have this big wall that we can do that on. So this is essentially most of the living room space. And then we have our balcony. We love the balcony. We're pretty high up, so it's a little bit something to get used to. But there's a great amount of space, and it's actually a private balcony. There's a wall here, so that's really awesome to kind of have that separate space and being able to have a really great view, of course, everywhere from all of our windows from the balcony. We are just loving being up this high and having all of these great views. And you'll see it goes pretty far back. So we have a lot of space here. Probably put some like outdoor either like chairs or a little table. So excited to use this space as well. So that was our full apartment tour. Again, we're so excited. This is everything we dreamed of and wanted. So I'm so glad that we found a place that's perfect for us. Can't wait to decorate and make it our own. And again, just enjoy these views, the floor to ceiling windows, everything. The layout is just exactly what we're looking for. So we could not be happier. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.
Shut